Let me introduce you to a game-changing weapon in the arsenal of online marketing. It's not just about selling products. It's about strategic actions that pay off. Welcome to the realm of CPA marketing, where every click has the potential to turn into cash. Imagine getting paid not just when someone makes a purchase, but even when they simply sign up or fill out a form. Intrigued? This strategy is set to elevate your business game to unprecedented heights. Let's peel back the layers and really get into what CPA marketing is all about. It's simple, yet genius. CPA, or cost per action marketing, is a model where you, as the affiliate, get paid for a specific action taken by the user. We're not just talking about sales here. It could be anything from signing up for a trial to filling out a form. Now, there are a few strategies that really shine in the CPA world. First up, review websites. Imagine you're comparing different fitness apps. You create a site, lay down the pros and cons, and voila! Every click on those links can be money in your pocket. Then there's the sales or landing page strategy. Here, it's all about selling the dream. You're laying out the benefits of a product. Maybe it's a new diet supplement or a tech gadget, and urging the visitor to take action. Splash pages take a different approach. Less content, more visuals. It's like a movie trailer for a product, giving it just enough to pique interest. And don't forget quiz or fun landing pages. These are interactive, engaging, and can drive actions like crazy. Think of those Find Your Perfect Match quizzes for dating sites. Each strategy has its own charm, and the trick is figuring out which one aligns with your style and your audience. Think of it as choosing the right tool for the job. And when done right, it can be incredibly lucrative. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way, you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. Now, here's where the rubber meets the road. Maximizing those profits. It's not just about throwing any CPA offer out there and hoping that it sticks. No, it's about being smart and strategic. Choosing the right offers is crucial. You've got to pick something that resonates with your audience, something that clicks with their needs and wants. It's like matchmaking. You're connecting your audience with the offers that suit them best. Now, let's talk money. You might see offers with big payouts and think, that's the one for me. But hold on, sometimes it's not about the highest payout, but rather the offer that converts more easily. It's a balancing act between the allure of high payouts and the practicality of an offer that just converts better. It's about working smarter, not harder. Aligning the right offers with your audience can turn your CPA marketing efforts into a well-oiled profit machine. Social media is like the megaphone for your CPA offers. It's where you can shout from the rooftops and get people to listen. But it's not just about making noise. It's about being strategic with your message and where you deliver it. Take Facebook, for example. With its detailed targeting options, you can pinpoint your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Crafting a compelling ad with a clear call to action can lead users straight to your CPA offers. And don't forget about Facebook groups, a space where like-minded individuals gather. By providing value here, you can subtly direct traffic to your offers. Instagram, with its visual appeal, is perfect for lifestyle and consumer products. Utilizing Instagram stories and reels can give your CPA offers a fresh and engaging spin. Influencer partnerships can also amplify your reach, lending credibility to your offers. LinkedIn, on the other hand, is your go-to for a more professional and focused audience. Crafting insightful articles or sharing valuable content can position you as an authority, making your CPA offers more appealing in a discerning crowd. In a nutshell, leveraging social media for CPA marketing is like having your own personal billboard in everyone's pocket. Use it wisely and watch your efforts pay off. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. You're ready to join CPA networks? I'm here to guide you through it. This is where you can really start to scale and grow your business. First things first, preparation. You need a solid foundation, and that means having a website. It's your digital storefront, your handshake. Whether you're promoting health products or tech gadgets, your website should reflect your niche. And don't just throw up a generic page. Make sure it has some substance about your marketing skills. maybe a blog or case studies. It shows you're serious. Now, about that email. Having an email that matches your domain isn't just a nice touch, it's practically a requirement. It sends a message that you're professional and invested in your business. Think of it as your business card in the digital world. Moving on to the application process. I can't stress this enough. Honesty is your best policy. CPA networks value affiliates who are upfront and clear about their experience and strategies. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, let them know. They've got a keen eye for spotting inconsistencies. So keep it real. Being proactive is key. Don't just wait around after hitting submit on your application. If there's a contact number or an IM handle, reach out. It shows initiative, and it can often speed up the process. Remember, they're looking for affiliates who are as eager to work with them as they are with you. And here's something crucial. Don't limit yourself to just one network. Different CPA networks have different strengths. Some might offer exclusive deals. Others might have a reputation for timely payouts. By applying to multiple networks, you're giving yourself the freedom to choose the best fit for your strategy. Lastly, keep an eye out on the offers available across networks. Some networks might have a wider variety in your niche, while others have higher paying offers. By being part of multiple networks, you can cherry pick the offers that align best with your audience and strategy. Without traffic, even the best offers are like billboards in the desert. Let's talk about how to get eyes on your offers. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate success. It's not just about quantity, but quality. You want people who are interested, engaged, and ready to take action. It's like fishing. You need the right bait for the right fish. So how do you find these people? You've got two main avenues, free traffic and paid traffic. Both have their perks, and I've dabbled in both. Let me break it down for you. Free traffic is like planting seeds and watching them grow. It's your blog post, your social media, your SEO. It takes time, but it is cost effective and can bring in a steady stream. I've seen my content slowly climb the ranks and start pulling in consistent traffic. It's a grind, but it does pay off. On the flip side, paid traffic is like flipping a switch. It's immediate, targeted, and can scale quickly. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads let you zero in on your audience with laser precision. I've run campaigns that brought in leads like clockwork. But remember, it's a game of numbers and optimization. You've got to keep an eye on your ROI. In my journey, I've realized that a mix of both can be really powerful. Free traffic lays the groundwork, while paid traffic can supercharge your efforts. It's like having a steady base income and then hitting those sweet bonuses. So don't just throw offers out there and hope for the best. Be strategic, test different sources, and always optimize. Whether it's free or paid, the right traffic can turn your CPA marketing game into a gold mine. We've journeyed through CPA marketing, from the basics to driving traffic like pros. It's a craft, not a quick fix. It's about knowing your audience, choosing offers wisely, and being strategic. Stay curious and never stop learning. You've got the tools and insights, so go out there and make it happen. Turn those clicks into cash and make your mark. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way, you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.